In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, few products have consistently pushed the boundaries of innovation and performance like Apple's iPad Pro series. With each iteration, Apple manages to redefine what a tablet can be, blending powerful hardware with intuitive software to create a device that not only meets but anticipates the needs of modern users. The all-new iPad Pro continues this tradition, promising to deliver a computing experience that is both familiar and groundbreaking. From its sleek design to its robust performance capabilities, the iPad Pro represents the pinnacle of Apple's engineering prowess. Design and display. At the heart of the all-new iPad Pro is its stunning design and display. Available in both 11-inch and 12.9-inch models, the iPad Pro retains the sleek, minimalist aesthetic that has become synonymous with Apple's products. The Liquid Retina XDR display, introduced in the latest models, takes visual fidelity to new heights with support for HDR content and True Tone technology, ensuring vivid colors and true-to-life images whether you're editing photos, watching movies, or browsing the web. Performance and power. Under the hood, the iPad Pro is powered by Apple's latest custom-designed M-series chips, setting a new benchmark for tablet performance. The M-series chip, built on cutting-edge 5nm technology, not only enhances CPU and GPU performance, but also introduces advanced machine learning capabilities that optimize tasks like image processing and augmented reality applications. Whether you're multitasking between apps, editing 4K video, or playing graphics-intensive games, the iPad Pro delivers unparalleled responsiveness and efficiency. Camera and AR capabilities. For creators and professionals, the iPad Pro's camera system is more than just an upgrade, it's a game-changer. Equipped with a dual-camera setup featuring a wide and ultra-wide lens, along with a LiDAR scanner, the iPad Pro enhances photography and AR experiences like never before. The LiDAR scanner measures light distance and depth, enabling incredibly accurate augmented reality applications, from precise room measurements to immersive gaming experiences. Combined with advanced software optimizations in iOS, the iPad Pro transforms into a versatile tool for both content creation and everyday tasks. Accessories and connectivity. Complementing the iPad Pro is a range of accessories designed to unlock its full potential. The Apple Pencil, now in its second generation, offers unparalleled precision and responsiveness, making it the perfect tool for sketching, note-taking, and annotating documents. The Magic Keyboard, with its backlit keys and integrated trackpad, transforms the iPad Pro into a powerful workstation, ideal for productivity tasks and creative workflows. With support for USB-C and Thunderbolt connectivity, the iPad Pro seamlessly integrates with external devices, from high-resolution monitors to professional-grade cameras, ensuring flexibility and versatility in any environment. Software and ecosystem. Beyond its hardware prowess, the iPad Pro leverages Apple's ecosystem of apps and services to deliver a cohesive user experience. With iPadOS, users benefit from intuitive multitasking features, enhanced file management capabilities, and support for advanced productivity tools like Adobe Creative Cloud and Microsoft Office. The App Store offers a vast selection of apps optimized for the iPad Pro's performance and display, empowering users to explore new creative possibilities and streamline their workflows.